All right, everybody, welcome. Today we're looking at eXp World Holdings Incorporated, and we are about to analyze this stock. Let's take a look right away. Price has gone up dramatically since March of 2023, and we've accelerated up into price at the $15 level. We hovered around the 19 and 20, and we broke up above the $25 mark for a couple seconds, not too long. Looks like we're rolling back down. I've got a couple indicators here, some news events that might have caused price to react in a certain way. Right here is where eXp World Holdings common stock has been added to the Russell 2000 index. So that is what launched it up to the $24, $25 mark. It sat there for 5 weeks before correcting back down. And this week, August 23, 2023, Monday the 14th, as of the 14th, we got news that Jose Enrique Valdez, Chief Growth Officer, on August 16th, sold almost $50,000 of shares. So that's brought the price down. That news event brought the price down. Um, I don't know what we're gonna do in the future, but we can look at some insights here and let the market speak to us. So I like to look at this RSI indicator, and it looks like like I said, price was going sideways here a little bit. We've gone up, and then now we're testing this downtrend line that starts all the way back from August 2020. And so prices come down, and it actually broke the trend line, and we actually got a good price over. So we might be able to start accumulating here, uh, but we definitely want to keep an eye out on this trend line and see if we can get the price to break below that. And this is on a weekly chart. Let's look at a daily chart and see what that looks like. So yeah, on a daily chart, we've already broken that trend line. We can even go back to a 2-day chart. Yeah, we've already broken that on the 2-day, and on the 3-day. Yeah, we've broken that. So that's a very bearish, very bearish sign. Yeah, let's take a look at the monthly. Yeah. Oh, yeah. At the monthly, yeah, it got rejected pretty hard here. So bearish news for eXp World Holdings, which might not be a bad thing, especially if you're trying to accumulate stock. As you can tell here, the volume is just dropping down on the buy volume. We had a high bar here, another high bar there, and a high bar here that almost broke that previous bar, but nowhere near this bar. Um, and you can tell it's just volumes just dropping and dropping. Uh, how low we go, let's take a look at that. And what I'll do is I'll go to a daily chart, and let's take a look and see what that looks like. Here's our daily chart, and you can see here on the Willie indicator, Williams percentage R, we were oversold here in the month of August and have broken since then. And we are now testing the $18 level, which we got a pretty good bounce. And this is the OBV, on balance volume. You can tell that it's just rolled over. The sell-off has happened. We got a little dead cat bounce here. And we see MACD rolling back up. But let's take a look at the chart. And You can see that there's a major gap right here. So you have a gap here, a very, very big gap here, there, and even down here is a gap. So gaps love to be tested. When we test this level, I don't know. Only time will tell, but those are some gaps. And in the market, we call it unfinished business that needs to be traded to. Uh, so we're already in August, mid-August, headed into September, and then October, November, which is the fall. Um, Stock price loves to fall in the fall, is an old saying from an old Nardi trader guy that I used to know, or that I know. So let's take a look and see where that would go for eXp. So we got a level at $16 and $11. Previous support lines will take you all the way back to $10, and also maybe even to $8. So if you had been accumulating through here, good for you. If you sold up on the top, very good trade. It might not be too late to let some more go if you haven't already. Remember, price does not just come straight down. I don't expect it to go straight down and then try to rebound. What I expect it to do is a bounce off of this $18, which if you come off the top of the range, you're probably looking at like a 32 point correction, which it'd be right here, which we've already broken that. So perfect place for a dead cat bounce. Maybe we rally into the end of September. Once September comes, start to come back down. You know, play a little bit, maybe get another chance to sell off at $20. But there's going to be a big event coming in October, maybe November. Uh, Something's going to test this area here, get another bounce, and then another big one into November, and then December start bottoming, and that's going to form the next bull market. Kind of like looking something like that. Of course, we don't ever know what the market's going to do, so we'll just see what time tells us. If you have any questions, feel free to drop your comment below. Make sure and like and subscribe on this channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye now.